Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today we'll take a look at the daily chart for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we'll also take a look at the key levels where we can trade tomorrow. And as discussed in video yesterday, we were expecting a upside movement after a downside movement in the early half, and that was at around the levels which I had mentioned in the video as well, right? So 21,800, close to 21,800, as well as 47,000 for Bank Nifty. So if we see today's movement, initially the price opened with slight a gap down, flat to slight gap down, and then it moved down till the levels which I had talked about, that is 21,800 and 47,000, and from there it again bounced back. Nifty managed to close about 22,000, and Bank Nifty I think closed somewhere around 47,400. So it was all in all a good day for option buyers on either side. Uh, the initial down movement was very difficult to capture, but the up move I think was something which all option buyers must have captured. So it was a good day for option buyers. So we'll take a look at the levels where we can trade tomorrow. But before that, a disclaimer: all the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and in no way is a buy or sell recommendation. Any buying or selling decision or any trading or investing decision needs to be taken after consultation with your respective financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. So what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty spot chart on a daily time frame, and as you can see here, yesterday I had mentioned that uh, we may see a gap down opening, and that's exactly what had happened. So with a slight gap down, the market had opened, and then it went down in the initial 1 hour or so, and it touched the levels 21,822. So I had talked about the levels 21,855 and 21,833. So those were the levels from where I was expecting a reversal or a bounce back. And I had mentioned that 21,800 is going to be a crucial level. So 21,800 was not tested. And also I had mentioned that if 21,800 levels break, then in that case I won't initiate a downside trade right away, because there is another level 21,722 if you see here, which is on the monthly time frame, and which is a strong level as such. So if the price breaks below 21,722 and sustains below that, then in that case I would be keen to go ahead with a downside trade, which will be further down till 21,500 and even 21,300 levels as well. But that was not the case to happen. The market reversed from 21,821 levels, so and it managed to close about 22,100. So this particular thing is what I was talking about, right? So if you see this dashed, the dotted purple channel, this has been tested. I mean, the price has been following this particular channel since 20th March. If you see this from this low, bottom of this channel, it went on to test the highs, then again tested the low, then again went on to test the highs close to this, and then again today it tested the bottom of this channel, and now the candle that we have is a bullish hammer candle. Right now, this hammer candle has come at a support, and it has come after a series of down move, right? So if you see the previous candles, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, almost six candles, it was a lower high lower low formation, and it was a downtrend. And this today's hammer candle suggests that if the highs of this hammer candle break, then there is the bull run would resume, and that is exactly what I had talked about in yesterday's video as well. So we were expecting a reversal at around 21,800 levels, and that has happened. And going forward, I think this particular week and the next is where we will be trying to reach the top of uh, this purple channel, the dotted purple channel. And if the government, or if a stable government is formed, then in that case the price may even break this channel and go on to hit new all-time highs. So that was something which I had told in yesterday's video also, and I'll reiterate that in this video as well. So my opinion and my view is bullish towards the market right now. for the next few days, for next 2 weeks at least, I'm expecting the market to go up. Maybe not a very straightforward rally as such, but there will be up and then down and then up moves, as well as there could be some consolidation as well. But all in all, I think we are looking at a bull run right from here. Okay. So the key levels for tomorrow for Bank Nifty would be 22,144 on the on the upper side. So if the price breaks and sustains about 22,144, then in that case, the obvious key levels would be 22,200, which will be the first target, and then 22,300 levels as well. Uh, on the lower side, 21,811 is the level, or is a key level to watch out for. If this level breaks and the price sustains below that, then the next immediate first target would be 21,722. We may expect a reversal from 21,722, but if the price breaks this level 21,722 and sustains below that, then in that case, it's best to go ahead with a downside trade, which will be uh, till 21,500 at least, or 21,300 as well, right? So the key levels, as I said, 22,144 on the upper side and 21,811 on the lower side. Let's move on to Bank Nifty now. So Bank Nifty also, as I had mentioned yesterday, I had talked about the levels. Uh, we were expecting 47 277 and 47 177 to be retested, and I had also mentioned in the video that 47,000 is a psychological level, so we may expect a reversal from there. So today's low, if you see, it is close to 46. Uh, Today's low is 46,983, which is just 17 points below 47,000 psychological level. So this clearly suggests that whatever analysis was done in yesterday's video, that was almost correct, and we have a bullish or a reversal from the level of 47,000, right? Now another key thing to note here is, in the past few trading sessions, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, now all the past 8 trading sessions, there has been a bearish candle as well as a lower high lower low formation, and there was a downtrend. Now today's candle is the first green candle after those 8 trading sessions of red candles, and this candle is also more like a hammer. The body length is uh, more as compared to what we would have expected for an ideal hammer, but this can be considered as a variation of a hammer. And as you can see, this has formed at the support, or at the lower end of the channel. So this channel I'm talking about, this blue one, right? If you are able to see this, so this particular channel has been tested. If you see this on 12th Feb, there was this the it took support from the price, took support from the bottom of this channel, then retested the top, then again came down, again retested the top, again came down, tested the bottom, again went up, tested the top, again came down, tested the bottom, again on 30th April came up, tested the top, and now today it tested the bottom again. And this particular uh, formation of a hammer candle at the bottom of the um, uh, of the channel, from where it is expected to take support, clearly suggests that if the highs of this candle, that is today's hammer's candle, is taken out, then in that case the bull run may continue and may resume, right? So all in all, again, as I said, similar to Nifty, my bias is towards bullishness for Bank Nifty as well. Let's look at the key levels for tomorrow. The key levels for Bank Nifty are 47,844 on the upper side and 46,977 on the lower side. Now 46,977, if the price breaks this level and if the price sustains below 46,977, then in that case we may see a further downfall, and that will be a very quick downfall because of panic selling, and that will take the price quickly to 46 700 and 46 500 levels as well. However, on the other side, if the level 47 844 breaks, then in that case we may see another 150 to 200 points of movement on the upside, and we may face some resistance at around the psychological level of 48,000, right? At that particular level we may see some consolidation, and then the price may break up to continue on the bullish side or on the up move, right? So my bias is towards bullishness. I'm expecting in the next 2 weeks the price would try and retest the top of this particular channel, and if after the results we have a stable government, I think we are looking at new all-time highs, which will be even hitting 50k plus, right? So these are the levels to watch out for. One interesting thing observed today, and I want to bring it to your notice as well, is the India VIX, right? India VIX. If everyone is aware about this, so India VIX is actually the volatility index for the Indian markets, right? And this is also known as a fear index. Uh, so this is on a rise, and usually it is observed that when this is on a rise, uh, the markets tend to uh, go downwards, right? So if the peer index or if the peer factor in the market is high, then there is much selling that is seen and the market tends to go down. Now, it will be interesting to see how this works. I mean, how this goes, because if we have seen in the past few days, this has been rising and we had seen the market go down. But today, despite this rising, the market went up. So it will, my anticipation is that this should cool down now and should come to the levels of 15 or something, for in order for the market to go up. If this continues to go up, then in that case we may see a bull trap and the bears may, make a comeback with a very heavy selling, right? So yeah, that's the additional point I wanted to talk about in this video. So that's the analysis from my side. Do let me know in comment section whether this analysis is helping you or not, and whether you were able to take trade today, and whether you made profits or whether you booked losses. I'm sure if you are an option buyer today, you must have definitely made profits. But nevertheless, if you haven't, don't worry, we can definitely make profits on some other day. But do let me know if there's anything else you would want me to add as part of these videos, and also like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Just before we wrap up, a small disclaimer: making money in stock markets is not easy, and there is no shortcut to make money. However, with continuous improvements and over time, we can definitely make money from stock market. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.